Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a very quick video. This is a very small tip, but as I think of them on the law of attraction, I'm doing these videos to help you. If you're interested in the law of attraction, if you're trying to use it, or maybe you're not getting the results that you want from it, so I hope these help. This is just my experience with the law of attraction and what I use and what works well for me. So I hope it does the same for you. I hope you find these useful. If you do like it, give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Give us a subscribe if you like the law of attraction. And also let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think about it? Have you used it successfully? Are you struggling with it? Are there things that you don't understand? Or do you think it's a load of rubbish? Whatever your views are, that's fine. You know, it's all that's what's great about all of this stuff. You're entitled to your thoughts and feelings around it. I'm interested to know. So in this video, I wanted to give you a really simple thing that you must make sure that you don't do, okay? And if you're interested in a step-by-step guide on how to use the law of attraction, do check it out, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. That's my website. I'll put the link below. I just wanted to throw that out there because it will give you a step-by-step way of using the law of attraction, and it also shows you how I would manage to attract something into my life that I never thought that I would have. It was a very fast car. And I show you how I did it. I show you the steps that I used in a practical manner as well. So if you're interested in a step-by-step guide, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. You can also check out the videos on this channel. Okay, here's one thing, just because I spent a long time rambling. Here's one thing that you absolutely must make sure that you don't do when using the law of attraction. So you know what you want. You're trying to manifest it. You're trying to stay of good cheer and good feelings and stay positive. What you need to make sure that you don't do is put any effort in, okay? I know that sounds weird, but a reason that I see the law of attraction fail for a lot of people is that when you're going through these steps, one of the things that focus is different to straining, okay? So you can focus on what you want, you can meditate on what you want, you can get in line with what you want, but the moment you start getting into a situation where you're really sort of straining to get what you want, or you're really like, right, I need to feel good, I need to feel like this, that's when you run into problems. That's when you can run into, like, it can reverse it. It can lead you to feel more stressed and so on. So if you're currently using the law of attraction, try this. What I want you to do is ultimately understand that anything that you want in your life is to make your life better. If you're trying to attract it, I'm assuming it's something of good feeling rather than bad. And it's a feeling of ease and satisfaction and peace. Okay, so if you're struggling with the law of attraction, what I want you to do is just spend the day or a good few hours relaxed, peaceful, easy, wealthy, in line with what you want, and just see what comes your way. Okay, none of this should be a strain. One of my favourite sayings from a movie, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, is Li Mu Bai, the swordsman, when he says, true skill is effortless. And I found that to be the case with the law of attraction. If you want to attract good into your life, it's not a strain, it's not a struggle, it's effortless. So I just wanted to throw that tip out there. I hope it helps you. Do give us a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let me know your views on the law of attraction. Get your free guide. I'll put the link below, and it's at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. attractyourdreamstoyou.com. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching, guys.